In today's video, I'll walk you through how to add coins to your favorites on dYdX. To get started, open the dYdX trading interface and navigate to the Markets section. This is where you'll find all of the available perpetual markets that you can browse and trade. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the coin you'd like to add to your favorites. Once you've found the coin, look for the star or favorite icon displayed next to it. Select this icon to mark the coin as one of your favorites. After doing so, the star should appear highlighted, indicating that the coin has been successfully added to your favorites list. If you want to add more, simply repeat the same process for each coin you'd like to keep track of. Your favorites list can include as many supported markets as you find useful for your trading routine. After adding your favorite coins, look for the favorites filter or star icon within the markets page. Selecting this filter will display only the coins you've marked, making it much easier to switch between the assets you monitor most often. Using favorites can be especially helpful if you trade the same handful of markets every day. Instead of scrolling through the complete market list, you'll have quick access to your preferred coins whenever you log in. Keep in mind that the appearance of the markets page may change slightly as dYdX updates its interface, but the option to favorite a market is typically located directly beside the trading pair, making it easy to identify. And that's how to add coins to your favorites on dYdX.